Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog. So this time I'm going to shoot a new vlog and I'm going to show you Bangalore, Mysore, Ooty and Coorg. And this time we are going to make parts of different cities and we'll show you the places we visited of different cities. So I hope you enjoy this vlog and it's 4 o'clock right now. Now we'll leave for the airport and I'll meet you at the airport. So now we finally reached the Bangalore airport. This is how it looks like. We landed at Terminal 1 and I guess Terminal 2 is quite famous. So let's see, I'll meet you after some time. This is nice. This is a big airport, I guess. We are in the car right now and we are heading towards the Bull Temple. It's also known as the Nandi Temple. And Bangalore is really famous for its traffic and there's shortage of water here. So this is a problem. And I'll meet you guys at the Bull Temple. So we've reached the Bull Temple and it's also known as the Nandi Temple. This is how it looks. I think you can't see it, but so this is how it looks like. And it's really hot here. Then let me show you the outside. This is the outside and cars can also enter. Then they've made statues over here and it's pretty good. There's the shade of the tree, then these structures. Then some more statues of different animals like peacock, tigers, etc. So we've reached Lal Bagh Botanical Garden and let me show you the and by the way, let me tell you that Bangalore is also known as the Silicon Valley of India, as many IT industries are present here. And okay, so this is where the garden starts now. Oh, nice. Cool shapes, right? Very nice statues are present here. Nicely carved. Big trees. Leaves. And this garden is quite big, I guess. I think it's just a simple trunk of a tree and it's carved to give it a different shape. The wood has been carved into blocks. Woo! Look at this tall tree. It's so tall.
देखो
Oh, look at this animal. But it's really sunny here. It's really humid and hot. So you need to bring a cap and water here. So we were at the commercial street and it's lunchtime, so we came at Purani Delhi, and it's also known as Anand Sweets and Savories. The ambience is quite good, and I'll meet you after lunch. And it's quite big and beautiful. You can also see the statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So it's just like the Parliament House made in Delhi, but this is for Karnataka. And let me tell you one thing, we are in Karnataka. Bengaluru is in Karnataka. So it's quite big and nice. Rameswaram Cafe in Rajahari Nagar, and the food we ate was good, but but it's quite crowded here and you will hardly find a place to sit. This is the Gokulam Grand Hotel in which we are going to stay today in Bangalore. Now we are entering the lobby and this is the hotel. You can also see a restaurant over here. So now we've reached our room and it's quite good. This is the TV, places to sit, that's the bed, and let me show you the bathroom. Hi. Pretty good. So now we've checked out from the Gokulam Grand Hotel and now we are waiting for our cab and then we'll head towards Mysore. So now we've reached the Mysore Palace, and this is the entry gate. You can also see a temple over here, and this is the palace. I'll show you the view of the palace when I reach the center. So the fees is 100 rupees for adults and 50 rupees for people who are below the age of 18. And there's some crowd over here, but that's fine. So this Mysore Palace has been built by the Britishers, and it's quite big and so beautiful. The architecture is quite nice. This is a garden, plants. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so now so if you're going to visit Mysore, you should come and visit this place. This is also another entry, I think.
No, not for us.
It's not for us? Okay. See, this is the palace. So nice. And I think we can go inside also, so I'll show you the view from the inside. Good afternoon. It's 3:20 and we've come at the zoo. So let me show you the animals. So these are the birds, I think. Oh, peacock! Wow. Actually, right now we are sitting in this mini car, so it would be easy. Oh. Oh, look at this thing. Wow. Oh, an eagle. Eagle. You can see a lion over here. Oh, you can see. This is a chimpanzee. This is a giant one, sleeping peacefully under the shade. Oh, look at this. He is having his food, I think. Oh, there are two. Elephants. Hi guys, we finally reached the hotel in Mysore, and the name is Southern Star. So let me show you the bathroom. These are some complimentaries. Then here's the TV. And then you can also see the stone chariot. And this is the bed. So the time is 4:40 right now, and we've completed our journey in Mysore. So right now we've checked out of the hotel and we are waiting for a cab. And this is our hotel, Southern Coast. We had our breakfast also and it was good. And the time is 10:10 right now. Let me show you the side view also. This is the side view. And this is the parking area. Many trees are planted here. So yeah, I'll meet you after some time. And right now we are heading towards Coorg. Hi guys, we've reached St. Philomena's Church on our way to Coorg, and it's quite big and the architecture is nice. Here's the statues and here's the entry. Quite tall. Like there's no entry fee or it's free of cost. I think photography is not allowed for taking videos. So I'll meet you after some time. So this is the third day of our trip, and now we are heading towards Coorg, also known as Madikeri. So the time is 2:30 right now, and the average distance is 100 kilometers. It takes approximately 2.5 hours. So you can see the road. It's full of trees and all buildings. And the weather in Coorg is not as hot as Bangalore or Mysore. That's one good thing. Finally, we've reached Coorg, and right now we are heading towards the Golden Temple. And you can see this was the entrance. Pretty good. And these are the monasteries where the Buddhist monks are going to live. So let's head towards. This is the entrance, I think. Wow. Wow. So amazing. Very well made. Just look at the details. And by the way, it's really hot here. It's like 3:30 right now. And I don't think we are allowed inside. If we are, then I'll show you the inside also. Mm. This is like the best visit so far. They are so giant, and look at it, the paintings are just so amazing. It's very peaceful. It's really worth visiting. This is the inside of the Golden Temple. So you can see like a stupa over here, and then there are statues also. Then another structure over here, and this place is quite big. It's massive and it's so amazing. You should definitely visit this place because it's worth it. I think this is gonna be my favorite place. So this is like a miniature of the monastery. Let me show this to you. Wow. Very nice. This is actually the replica of the Payal Mother Monastery. Good evening everyone. Right now we are in Coorg and we are staying in an hotel, Woodstock. So let me show you our room. So this is the room, sitting area and normal things. This is the washroom. So what happened is that we were staying in a superior room, but it was not that pleasant and good. So we changed the room and this is much better. See, there's another bed, 2 stories. And quite okay. So let me tell you one thing, that if you're staying in the superior room, I would not prefer that. But this one is much better. We'll do our dinner and good night. Good morning everyone. This is day 4 of our trip in Coorg and right now we are at the Woodstock Hotel. So this is the restaurant where we had a breakfast, and it's sunny. This is the reception, and it's a resort, so there are many things to do here, like there's swimming pool, then things to play with, etc. I'll show you the other things in the evening after we see all the things. Then so these are the homestays where everybody lives. Yeah, villas. Hi. It's 9:15 right now, and we'll get ready for our, traveling. We'll take a bag and all the other things. And we are staying here for 2 days, so this is the second day. And tomorrow we'll move for. Hi guys, right now we are at the Harangi Tree Park and Elephant Camp. So I think we are going to see some elephants over here. So the distance between from the ticket or from the place from where we take a ticket to the actual park is 800 meters, and I think we have reached the park. This is a place where I think the elephants wait and drink the water. They like to stay. And it's really hot. We had to sit, but that's fine. These are the elephants. Nice. You can visit this place. Now there's a cool breeze and it feels good. So we came close to the elephants. Hi. Oh, so they've been, tied. Their feet have been tied. Another one.
Yay!
Right now we are in Madikeri, Coorg, and now we've reached the Omkareshwar temple. So this is the entrance, I think. not allowed, short pants, etc. Oh, so I think I can't record here. It's 12:30 right now, and now we are heading towards Abbey Falls. So we took the tickets and let's go. You can see it's fully surrounded by trees, and I think they're between a jungle. And ticket is 10 rupees per person. And we are going down right now. So let's see. I hope we see the falls because it's summer right now. You can hear the noises of the birds, insects. We've reached Abbey Falls, and you can see there's plenty of water here. So yeah, this is good, and we can also smell the water, the scent of the water, the ground, the mud, etc. There's also this bridge, but it's closed and it's broken. Hi, it's 2 o'clock right now and we had our lunch. So right now we are at the Raja. So now we are exploring the place. You can see flowers nicely decorating the whole place. And they told that this point is the viewpoint, and you can also see statues of animals, etc. There's an elephant. And it's still sunny. Okay, we'll go from here. Now what's this? See the view of Coorg. Very nice. You should definitely visit this place. This is the final view of the Raja Seat, and it's pretty good. You can see houses, farms, then mountain ranges, and if you look closely you can also see roads and cars traveling. Yeah, there are like 3 to 4 layers of mountains. It looks like a scenery drawing, and it's actually worth visiting this place. It would look more beautiful. Then there's something here also. Let's see if we can go there.
where Veerappan used to stay and do his smuggling activities.
So we have reached Ooty and it's around 5 o'clock right now. And today we did not visit any places. And you can see it's like pretty hot, but the atmosphere is quite cool. So I'll show you the tour of the room tomorrow. And you can see the view. There are houses over here. And Saturday there's a lot of traffic on our way when we entered Ooty. So yeah, I'll meet you. Bye. Good morning everyone. This is day 6 of our trip. So this is our room. The name of the hotel is Surya Village, and it's quite okay. We had a breakfast and now we'll leave for exploring the different things. And the atmosphere is quite cool. You can see the view is so good. Like feels like Shimla. This is the tea garden and we are in Kunnur right now. The time is 11 o'clock and it is sunny but cool breeze is blowing and it's really beautiful. You can also see a nice view from here. We've reached Sims Garden, and there are many trees, flowers over here. You see, this one is quite tall. It's just a normal garden, but it's really big, I think. It's 1 o'clock right now, and it's hot. And you can do boating over here.
முடியாது சம்பளம் பார்த்து தரீங்களா
It's decorated with flowers. So now we are heading towards Paigara Falls, and the distance from the parking to the falls is 300 meters. So we bought tickets, and now we are heading down. You can see a river here. Pretty good view.
Slow, Shiva.
There are also some animals down. This is the waterfall. And there are many monkeys over there. So now we've reached the Bengaluru airport, and our flight is at 6:50. It's quite big. We are at Terminal 1 right now, and I think we'll go at like 6 o'clock and reach the plane, I think. So yeah, bye.